Welcome. In this video, we're going to go over how to hide sensitive media in posts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the newest update on your computer. If you've been scrolling through your feed and finding images or videos that you'd rather avoid, this quick setting will help you take control of what you see. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. From the More menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize nearly everything about your X experience, including your privacy controls and the type of content that appears in your feed. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. You'll now see several categories that relate to your account's visibility and how you interact with content. Under this section, find and select Content You See. Now here's the key part. Look for the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. By default, this box might be checked, meaning X will show you posts that include potentially sensitive material. To hide those types of posts and images, simply uncheck the box next to that option. Once you've done that, X will automatically save your new preference. There's no need to click Save or confirm anything else, just revisit your feed, and you'll notice fewer sensitive media posts appearing as you scroll. If you ever change your mind, you can repeat these same steps and check the box again. Keeping your online experience comfortable and tailored to your preferences is simple when you know where to look. And with this new update, X has made managing media sensitivity more seamless than ever before. Thanks for watching.